Bueno, todo chicos y chicas, soy ZellenDust y bienvenidos a un nuevo video. Y hoy traemos capítulo 6 de HAZBIN. No voy a entretener absolutamente nada más. Está muy interesante. El final del capítulo 5 estuvo muy bien, muy intenso, muy interesante, muy fogosa. Así que solo quiero seguir esto. Pero antes de empezar, gentusilla, dejadme que os hable del sponsor de hoy. Y es que hablamos de Crossout, juegazo de acción post-apocalíptico free to play, importante, donde pues puedes construir el equipo más enfermo que se te ocurra con miles de piezas distintas. La imaginación es el límite. Con ruedas, oruga, patas de robot gigante, flotadores, lo que te salga de ahí, me da igual. Y luego con ese vehículo puedes ir a reventar otros vehículos con explosiones y efectos brutales sacados de película. Y cuando digo cualquier vehículo, es cualquier vehículo, ¿vale? Puedes montar un coche con ametralladoras volador, puedes hacer un mecha gigante, un tanque mega futurista, puedes hacer el camión de Laos que se haga invisible si quieres. Si te lo propones, puedes. Y luego vas ahí y te matas con física súper realista y daño mega detallado por piezas. Como todo va por piezas, pues lo que vas volando, literalmente vuelas piezas. Es milimétricamente detallista. Pero la cuestión es que han sacado su nueva actualización medida forzada, que incluye nuevos vehículos, piezas nuevas, modos de juego únicos, piezas que son cojines de aire, ya por meter que no quede, ¿sabes? Más módulos de invisibilidad, escudo, radares, vamos, lo que más rabia te dé. Y si de momento llega y dices, joder, soy un perezas, no quiero construirme nada, yo quiero llegar y matarme, pues tranquilo, porque la gente también tiene sus movidas ya hechas, te las pone, tú las ves, las descargas, las bajas, lo construyes automáticamente y te vas a matar por ahí. ¿Qué más quieres? Te pones a jugar ahí en tu PvP, tu PvE, tu modo titán, eventos especiales, subes de nivel, sacas piezas, vas al mercado, vendes piezas, compras piezas, montas otras cosas con otras piezas y, tío, ¿qué te digo, tío? Y todo lleno de un mundo post-apocalíptico, todo guapo, con un montón de mapeados diferentes. Pues yo sé, pantanos, minas abandonadas, ciudades destrozadas, fábricas, de todo, tío. Y si descargas Crossout desde mi enlace abajo en la descripción y el comentario fijado, vas a tener 3 vehículos nuevos de regalo y 3 días de acceso premium. Un vehículo blindado llamado Rápido y Letal, una aeronave llamada Pájaro de la Muerte y un coche con patas robóticas que se llama Optimum. Pero no Prime, que esos no pagan. Y además disponible en PC, PlayStation y Xbox. Así que, como he dicho, abajo tienes la información y no entretengo más. Deja un likeazo y dentro vídeo.
Just over 7 years ago, Lilith had a dream. With her song, she rallied the sinners of hell to attack heaven in an effort to liberate us. But before she could wage her war, she disappeared. I merely wish to finish what she started. A strong woman like yourself can relate, I'm sure, Miss Carmine.
Ahí tirando de influencia.
I have no interest in engaging in this war or assisting your disrespectful crew, Vox.
Funny you mention that. See, my associate Velvette here came along today specifically to apologize about her childish actions at your last Overlord meeting. She meant no harm. Did you, Velvette?
That's right. I spoke out of turn. Forgive me.
See, she's sorry. You should cut her some slack. You know, she's still pretty new to the Overlord biz.
Noted, but that doesn't change things. I have nothing more to negotiate with the man bringing angels to my doorstep.
Are you sure that's me? If I recall, it was you who armed Charlie to slay the angels in the first place.
Those were different circumstances.
Was it?
Era la matanza.
Where you guys left off. See, you sit up here in your creepy factory thinking you're above this war, when really, you're the one who started it. Make no mistake, Carmilla. War is coming. You're either with me or against me. And when the first shot fires, whose side do you want to be on? Heaven's You think they won't come for you? The one that supplied the princess with the knife that killed their leader? Help me protect Hell, Carmilla, and I'll help you protect them.
I'll build you.
Atacando a la raíz, ¿eh?
Way to throw me under the fucking bus back there, V. So much for just fake an apology.
Oh, come on, Velvet. We got the deal, didn't we? Besides, you did manage to fuck up the one Overlord meeting I let you do on my behalf. So, maybe you should reflect a little, okay?
Fucking motherfucker!
Fucking motherfucker!
Carmilla, you surrendered yourself to the media overlord? You know he doth profess allegiance to hell, but his true alliance lies only with himself.
This is not about sides, Zestiel.
You know better than to pay heed to his words. This path will lead to only ruin.
The angels are coming, Zestiel, and I can't. I won't lose anyone else. My loyalty is to my own, my girls, you.
Do what you must, but I shan't join you in this conquest. My truest wish is that you cometh to thine senses post-haste, for when you do, I shall return to your side.
Zestiel,
No, ya se fue. Vaggie MVP, pero vamos.
Don't worry, it'll be back working in a minute.
This just in, a historic deal has been struck between Vox Tech and Carmine Industries.
What? Oh, come on!
This is such an exciting partnership. With Carmine's innovation, with Angel weaponry, who knows what this could mean for the war efforts?
Vox Tech loves women in STEM.
And now for Hell's weather forecast. Scream rain!
Guys, are you hearing this? I know, right? Rain has no business screaming like that.
I told you, Princess, I'm done playing therapist. I ain't good at it. Maybe you should ask Little Miss Can't pick a fucking name. She's the one running the place.
Well, I don't really want to speak to her right now.
Yeah.
Besides, she's perfectly fine doing whatever she wants behind my back.
Well, Husk, if you see Charlie, can you let her know I've been doing everything around the hotel already, so it's not like it'll make a difference.
Well, Husk, if you see Vaggie, can you explain that hotel duties don't include inciting a war?
Enough! I'm so fucking done with this petty high school bullshit. I'm out.
Whoa, wait, what?
Que os
You
folle.
can't leave. The bar needs you.
Too bad. Alistair's gone, so I'm gone. I got no reason to stick around.
Hey,
Eso es cierto.
what about Angel?
What about him? He's a grown-up. Doesn't need me.
Great! Now someone has to take over the bar, too. Fuck my life.
Ooh, I wonder who that's gonna be.
Ugh, could this day get any worse?
And with Carmilla's aid, we can finally fulfill Lilith's dream. She started this resistance to take back our power by force. She wanted blood. Now let's spill some blood. Resist!
My mom never wanted
Bof.
violence. She empowered sinners. Peaceful protest. There was no blood.
I can't believe Carmilla would side with that low-life garbage.
I have to talk to her.
A lo mejor podéis ir las dos.
Nifty,
Eso
I
es.
can't believe I'm saying this. You're in charge.
Rise, children. It's time.
Verás, Nifty la que va a ver.
I've never dared with a problem. What, do you have a problem? Oh my fucking god, that was my fucking hell budget on my hell house! Fuck!
This place hasn't changed a bit. One game can't hurt.
Yikes.
Give me some luck, doll. Gonna win big this time. I can feel it.
Lucky 7!
Siguiente de la suerte. Let's go.
Now this is where I'm meant to be.
Ya está.
It's been such a long time since I've been out on my own. Bittersweet to be so free and so alone. It kinda feels like the wrong time to feel sorry for myself. Makes you wanna drink till you feel like you are someone else. Then another, and another, and another, and another, and another. Shelf double rocks for the scotch. I missed the tune of first clinking. Dillian kicked us in up a notch. Diving in quicksand faster than sinking. I'm leaving behind all of the cares that I've been overthinking. Find friends in my wine. Stay unawares just as long as I'm drinking. Love in a bottle, love in a bottle.
Ay, qué recaída más bonita, mi niño. Pero el temita es bueno.
Is in the eyes of the beholder. Jim never lies or fucks you over. It goes down the same every time. Need someone to hand your chips. Go all in and abandon ship. You're jumping for the water and it's all 100 proof. Love in a bottle, love in a bottle. Don't need love when it comes in a bottle. Start when you're bluffing.
Y ya está. A tomar por culo, perdiste.
Love in a bottle. Can't have love when it comes in a bottle. Home in a bottle. Numb in a bottle. I don't need nothing that's not from a bottle. Another round.
Creo que ya estás bien servido, mi niño. Ludópata y alcohólico. ¿Acaba de morirse alguien ahí aplastado?
Well, my dad listened to you and look where that got us.
Oh, I don't have time for this lesbian drama. What is it you want?
I thought you stood with us!
You can't work with Vox. He's an insane person.
Literally. Carmilla, this is not what my mom wanted. We should never go to war. Heaven doesn't want to hurt us anymore. They know that there's a better way.
How do you know heaven is no longer a threat when Vox just declared a war? They won't just surrender.
We don't, but we just learned the hotel works. Why start a war now? Why join Vox now?
The same reason I supplied you all with the weapons to defend yourselves. When a fight is to come, I will protect my own. You are the ones who asked me for the way to fight back. You made the stand. You killed their leader. You started this war. Why do you still insist on heaven being the answer when you know firsthand what they are capable of?
Because...
Because we should never let ourselves become them. My mother believes that there is...
Lilith is gone. Her beliefs don't matter. What matters is war is coming and I am choosing the winning side.
El modelo de ese personaje, bueno, de Camille, mola un montón, hermano. Sí, efectivamente, había uno aplastado con una caja.
This is living. Not wasting my life working behind some bar. Good booze, nobody wanting nothing from me, and a song sung by a lovely broad. Here's to you, baby. Angel!
It's been so very long since Lady Luck kissed you. Still you listen for her song and pray that she missed you dead inside, 'cause you know it's all pretend. Close your eyes, 'cause you're going off the deep end again. You're living for the rush, for that royal flush, but you take what you can get. You play your final ace for a pretty face, tastes like scotch and cigarettes, and you
Oh, ¡qué buena voz, cabrón! Control de luego, ¿por qué no lo asumes ahora en español, hermano? Con el por culo que me disteis cuando lo subí en español por estas partes cantadas. No jodas, tío. Ahora que tenemos esto, vais a quejar del idioma y os a la mierda. ¡Wow!
Good luck out there, boys.
Wow, that was hot. Wait, does that make me gay? I'm not gay, am I?
Throw more ass. Too saggy. I want that full extension on the leg. Is that how big it gets? I'm sorry, but it needs to be bigger.
Everyone out!
What do you want, Vox? I'm already struggling to find a co-star that can keep up with Angel and...
You read my mind. That's actually why I'm here. I may need to borrow Angel Dust for a bit. Before you say anything, just wait till you hear me out. The next part of my plan is gonna make the princess kill herself.
Our plan. Mine and Velvet's too. Or did you forget? I'm not gonna wait in the wings again while you and Angel take center stage.
Oh, Val. Is that jealousy, I hear? Come now, Val. We have been partners in business for decades. You know, it's all just metrics. We gotta push the fan favorites to the front to get more screen time. It means nothing in the long run. Just do me this tiny little favor, and you know, I have the next few hours free. Maybe we could fuck around.
I don't see this part in the script. Funny how you make time for us when you need something.
Velvet, I was just about to fill you in. We were just talking.
Seemed more like begging to me.
I don't beg. I was clearly demanding. Valentino, you will listen. And you will call Angel Dust here tonight. No question.
Ugh, get off me! You know that freaky eye shit doesn't work on me. Plus, I don't even know why you're asking. You just do whatever the fuck you want anyway. All for your stupid fucking plan, right? This whole thing.
Y el otro dos cizañeros sonriendo, ¿eh?
Fast, Vox. Ay, ya no puedo con este.
Ay, ya no puedo con este.
You know I can't understand you when you speak that island language, Val. Anyone else got shit to say?
I'm from fucking Florida.
Ow!
Hostia, Nifty. Nifty, hija de puta, ¿qué has hecho?
Come over here. Okay, Nuggets, come here. Little bitch, stop. Drop it. Drop it or you're bacon, you bitch. Nifty. Nifty, I told you to watch over the hotel. What have you been doing the whole time?
Yeah. Baxter fixed them. Now they have fingers and lungs so they can play instruments.
Oh, that's kind of impressive, actually. Now what? Huh. So that's where all the blankets went. Charlie? Are you okay?
I thought about what you said the other day. About me hyperfixating on all the lies, about me, about my mom, and you were right. So... Oh, Fat Nugget sat on the icing.
Yeah, we cannot eat that. It's okay. I know it's been hard on you. I just also know it was only making things worse to engage with it. And it's hard sometimes to feel like you aren't hearing me. But I just want you to know it's okay. I still love you.
But it's not okay. I got so caught up in all the drama and my mom... Look, this hotel was my way of finishing what she started, and I think I've been trying so hard to hold on to it because if I could make it work, maybe she'd be proud of me. maybe she'd come back and tell me what I did to make her leave. But all I've done is drive everyone away. Penchus, Husk, Alistair, my dad, everybody leaves. And now Fox is
a lo mejor es que eres un poco tonta y has estado haciendo las cosas como una tonta y por eso ahora te tienes estas movidas de tonta.
Some of your dreams haven't come true. Well, here's how we'll break the cycle. Your hand, my hand, your body and mine. They can withstand the fire in line. Cause anyone who finds love in hell can do anything.
Así en un momento, a ver.
No one else to make it through the crazy. No blow comes close to fatal for this princess and fallen angel. We already found love in hell. The rest is easy, baby. I appreciate all of that. But through it,
me gusta el rítmico.
come back. We can do it. You're my pillar, my heart's a filler, but there's no way this line is silver. Everyone's gone, we're facing a war. We can't get in touch with anyone anymore. And shut up, you know that I love you, but you're forgetting who we are. In a pit that doesn't let sun through. Somehow we manage to see stars. Your heart, my heart, when I am with you. Two souls, one goal, we'll never lose. Cause anyone who finds love in hell can do anything, baby. You and me don't need no one else to make it through the crazy. No blow comes close to fatal for this princess and fallen angel. We already found love in hell. The rest is easy, baby. Anyone who finds love in hell can do anything, baby. You and me don't need no one else to make it through the crazy. No blow comes close to fatal for this princess and fallen angel. We already found love in hell. The rest is easy, baby.
¡Ea! Cada canción es más sortera. Es muy hater este pavo.
Finally living up to your name, huh?
I didn't know you performed here.
I'm a man of many jobs. One of them being a woman.
Well,
yeah.
I quit.
Wow. I mean, I guess since Alistair ain't around anymore, you don't really need to, but... still.
That hotel's a bigger mess than we are.
Yeah. I think my botched redemption arc was proof of that.
Sorry for pushing you into that. Should have realized it was a...
It's fine. I've accepted that redemption's not really for people like me. Are you still mad I saved your life?
I wasn't really mad. I'm just not worth saving. This here's what I'm meant for. Just a sad drunk at a bar.
And I'm just a sex worker in a dress whose lunch was 3 cigarettes.
El buen desayuno europeo. Y un café.
Oh, speaking of other jobs, I got a film shoot. See you at the hotel tonight, Whiskas.
No, you won't.
Yeah, I will.
Bien, apartando la bebida al lado, mi niño. Yes, you can.
Hey, so is this line more like a or a ooh, yeah? No. Yes.
Change of plans. You were brought out for the night. In there.
Oh. Well, okay. I'll. Do I collect for you, or have they pay? I'll do my best, Daddy. The fuck? Oh, you shy, big boy? You want me to come find you? Or are you just, like, really small or something?
Ya, a lo mejor el hecho de que no le perturbe el que hay ojos en las paredes es raro. Opa.
Oh, Vox! What are you...
Sorry for the sudden visit. I just need to borrow that empty little head of yours.
I'd like to see you fucking try.
Off!
I've been wanting to do that for so fucking long. You stubborn fucking whore. More trouble than you're worth. Sure glad I found a use for you. It's almost cute how you scream every time.
What?
Oh, poor little angel dust. How do you think I was always one step ahead of the princess? Or how I knew the angels were coming? Or that Lucifer couldn't do anything to me? Think back. Any late night jobs you can't quite remember? There wasn't a moment I haven't been watching.
¡Qué hijo puta! La he estado controlando.
Looking too good under pressure.
We did it! Redemption is possible, Vaggie!
Give me the tea later.
I'll let you in on a little secret. I cannot smite him.
What?
¡Qué cabrón!
No, I would never.
Oh, but you already did. You've been a wonderful spy for me, Angel Dust. But I think your time at the hotel has come to an end. No, don't look so upset.
Ay, el pobre
Velvette's
Husk que va a ir
gonna
para allá
make
por
sure you
él.
look great for your presentation.
El rayo.
I thought about our talk.
Hey, look who's back.
Well, somebody needs to keep you guys drunk. Where's Angel at?
I don't fucking know. Should be back by now, though, because clearly nobody's fed fat fucking nuggets. Have their little fat nuggets. Huh. Hasn't been answering my texts either.
Something ain't right.
Nifty's the best.
That's nice, Nifty. Good job.
Yes. Good job, Nifty.
No matter what's ahead, we've faced impossible odds before. Together we can do it again.
Thank you, Vaggie, for keeping the faith that I lost control of.
Don't do it. Don't you bitch. Oh, come on. Don't crack it. No. Huh? Oh, Charlie, my lovely daughter who I love and miss. What's poppin'?
Dad, I need to talk to you. I'll send you my location, okay?
Of course. Yeah, I'll be there right away. I'm such a good dad.
Looks like we got our power source.
The fuck. Lo del rayo gritones la hostia. Ok. Se está trascando la magedia muy jodidamente, ¿eh? Me gusta el camino que está tomando esto. Nos quedan los dos últimos capítulos. Creo, si no me equivoco, que van a ser 8 capítulos. No, si no me equivoco, en la 1 también fueron 8 capítulos. Efectivamente. Y quedan 2. Nos queda follón y desenlace de follón. Supongo que con cliffhanger al final. Entonces, se viene, gentusilla. Licaso si queréis que se venga, que se vino, que todo fue, que es Licaso y poco más. Recuerda que abajo en la descripción tenéis un montón de cosas interesantes. Compartid el vídeo, haz un favor gigante y suscríbete al canal para partirte el ojal. Soy ZellenDust y hasta la próxima.